Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Electromind. Today I will be showing you how to make a 5V power supply using IC 7805. Let's begin.
Start.
So the component which we need are a 12V 1A step down transformer, IN4007 diode, a electrolyte capacitor of 1000 microfarad 25 volts and IC 7805. And to implement this in a PCB, we need a 0 PCB, connecting wires, soldering iron and a soldering wire, and to test this we need a multimeter. So this is the circuit diagram. We are supplying a sinusoidal power supply here. So our waveform will be like a sinusoidal wave, which is then stepped down by a step down transformer of 12V 1A, and this is transferred to a rectifier using a 4 diode. So after a rectifier, my waveform will be somewhat like this. The terminals, be careful about the terminals. In a diode, there is one silver line. This is the cathode. After rectification, it will pass through a capacitor, and this will work as a filter. So my waveform will be somewhat like this, which is somewhat DC, and the positive terminal of the capacitor will be longer than the negative terminal. And the second indication is that in the negative terminal there will be a strip of negative signs. Then this will be supplied to 7805 IC, in which 7805, this leg is the input leg, middle leg is the ground, and third leg is my output leg. And when it will pass through 7805, my output waveform will be a constant 5V power supply. After soldering, it will somewhat look like this. This is a bridge consisting of 4 diodes. This is the capacitor. This is IC 7805. You can add a heatsink or not, it depends upon you. And these are my output terminal. You can use a dual tape to cover it like this to prevent shock. So I am giving my transformer and AC power through this crocodile clip. And please do not touch the primary side because it is a 230V power supply, so you may get a shock. Now according to the circuit, this is my layout, and I will set my multimeter in a 20V range to detect this 5V. See, this is giving a constant 5V power supply to me. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button.